Yo, what's up guys? In this video I'm reviewing some shoes and they happen to be the Jordan 4 University Blues. So if you guys are interested to see what the quality is, I got these shoes from SusanSnkrs6. I'm going to tag her right in the description. So yeah, again, it's Chapo. If you guys want to learn how to buy shoes like this and how to legit check, just subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and let's get right into the video. First, we're going to start off with this box here. All these University Blue colorway boxes are so nice with the white and the light blue. I got these in a size 11, which the 11 size tag right here looks pretty good. Inside the box, obviously we had the shoes, but they're not in there right now. I got this little StockX sticker, StockX tag. They even included these really nice Nike socks, which I love when they do that because all the socks these sellers include are so nice. They're so comfortable. They're one of the best socks I ever worn. Now that we got the box out of the way, the box is great. It looks really good. I would say to ship it inside of the box. You don't got to worry about it whenever you're buying from these sellers. The shipping doesn't change if you want the box or not. So just keep the box. Now when we get to the shoes, I'm not gonna lie, I wore these a few times now. Quality on them is really good, and as you can see, they're a little dirty. We're gonna take this little insole thing out. We're gonna start off with a back tab test, and I'm telling you, they come right back up. They're high quality. Tongue on the shoe looks really good. The 23 on it, it bends, but it does not rip off. The suede on the shoe looks really good. Mind you, I did have this in the rain, so it's not as good as it was when I first got it, but it's still great. The cage on the front, great quality. Does not pull up, which is a good sign. Laces also are the same as retail. The shoe smells like Finish Line. It used to really smell like it a lot more, but right now I did wear them a little bit, so they smell like Cheetos, but they still smell okay. Here's the air bubble test. It is a little firm, but it's not too bad. Obviously, not a lot of people are gonna mess with your air bubble, but if they do, there is a sign right there that it's not, you know, 100% real, but they're still good. Here's the side of the shoe right here. The design is perfect. The height of the shoe looks good. The color of the shoe is great. The wing on this shoe is not too loose, but it's not too firm, so that's also good. The tongue does not fold too much, so that's a good sign. There's no inconsistency with the stars right here. Nothing wrong with this wing either. The inside tag on the shoe, I don't know if you could see it, but they're a size 11. I'm gonna give this shoe like a 9.5 out of 10. I think it's really good. Obviously, it's not perfect, but they did a really good job with this. So if you guys are looking for great shoes that you could wear pretty much anywhere, you're not gonna have to worry about them ripping or being bad quality, these are great. I got them from SusanSnkrs6 on Instagram. So if you guys wanna learn how to get shoes like this, check out the rest of my channel. I review a ton of sellers and I let you guys know the actual quality of the shoes, if there's any flaws. So yeah guys, check out that link below. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you're looking for a big spreadsheet of items just like this, go to my Discord. It's just called Spreadsheet. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.